Experiencing slow Spectrum internet speeds? You're not alone. While Spectrum offers plans up to 1 gigabps, latency, interference, and misconfigurations can significantly slow things down. This video will show you how to boost your speed by up to 50% by focusing on 4 key areas: quality of service, Wi-Fi channel selection, maximum transmission unit tuning, and strategic router placement. We'll explain each concept and provide actionable steps you can take today. As of September 2025, Spectrum has improved its infrastructure with DOCSIS 3.1 and 4.0, and even has AI diagnostics in their speed test app. But optimization is still key. First, quality of service prioritizes bandwidth. Access your router's admin panel, usually at 192.168.1, and allocate bandwidth percentages to critical apps like gaming or video calls. Next, Wi-Fi channel selection is crucial. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app to find uncongested channels, especially on the 2.4 GHz band. Avoid channels 1, 6, and 11. The 5 GHz band offers faster speeds but shorter range. Then, adjust your maximum transmission unit. Spectrum recommends 1492 for PPPoE connections. Access your router settings and test with ping commands. Finally, optimize router placement. Place it centrally, elevated, and away from obstructions. Use Ethernet backhaul for mesh extenders. Following these steps will give you the best chance at optimizing your Spectrum internet speed.